Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Christmas pizza. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our Christmas pizza, we're going to begin with the hat. I'm going to start right up here and I'm going to make a little Christmas hat. I'm going to begin by drawing a little line. It's going to go down, and then both sides are going to come down like this. Next, you want to connect it with a little rectangle shape. Now, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve off to the side. I'm going to leave a little space and I'm going to curve this right down to here. And I'm going to add a big circle at the end here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down at an angle, and one more right here that's going to come down at an angle. Starting here, I'm going to add a little line. It's going to curve across, and you want to draw a line that comes down on each side. Then I'm going to connect these with another little curved line. Now, starting here, we're going to add the face on here. I'm going to start here and I'm going to add a little circle shape for an eye. I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to add another circle shape here. And then I'm going to add two little black dots for the pupils. I'm going to add a little line across that goes down and then curves up for the mouth. A little tongue in here too. And then you can just color in the mouth right here. Now, I want to give him a little Santa beard. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a little line. It's going to curve down, it's going to go up and over. And then one here, it's going to go down, it's going to go up and then back over. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around, and then it's going to come back up here. Now I want to add some little details on here. So I'm going to start off by adding some little pepperonis. I'm going to add some circle shapes over here, so we'll put one here. I'm going to put one right here, and I'll put one more big one right over here. Then I'm going to add a little mushroom up here, so I'm going to make two little hook shapes that are not facing each other. A little line to connect them, and a little oval shape that goes right around here. I'm going to add another one here, so I'll put a little hook shape here, a little hook shape here, and then an oval shape that goes right around them. Next, I'm going to add some little rectangle shapes that have some curves on them, and this can be for like some little peppers or maybe some little spices. We'll put one underneath the hat. Now I want to make this look a little bit more like a Christmas pizza, so I'm actually going to give him like a candy cane crust. I'm going to start by just drawing a little line here. And I'm going to add some more diagonal lines like this. I'm going to spread them out just like that. Now, starting here, I'm going to give him some hands. So I'm going to draw a little line on each side for an arm. Then I'm going to make a small little oval shape at the end of each one. I'll add a little bump like this, kind of like a hook on each end. And I'll make a nice round shape like this for the mitten. Then starting here, I'm going to draw 2 little lines down here. I want to make a little line that goes up and then it's going to curve around here. And I'll do the same thing here. It's going to go up and then curve around. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Christmas pizza. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.